answered till now. And I don't know what you see in me. Girl, it's nothing to what I see in you. Stars that glisten, lips for kissing. Honey, listen, it's true. No one ever loved you better. I love you, honey. I love you.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Met you on a springtime day. You were minding your life and I was minding mine too. Lady, when you looked my way, I had a strange sensation, and darling, that's when I knew. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Yes, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. So I live my life in a dream world for the rest of my days. Just you and me walking hand in hand in a wishful memory. Oh, I guess that's all that it would ever be. I wish I had a time machine. I could make myself go back until the day I was born. I would live my life again and rearrange it so that I'll be yours from now on. That it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along. Oh, it's sad to belong to someone else when the right one comes along.